challenge as something which can put you down. We also always look at challenge something which we can circumvent and we can work around it. So we have a very positive team. They have helped us in circumventing the challenges, and each challenge we have taken as a challenge to go to the next milestone. And so far we have been doing it well. And we are the first company in western part of India to be reaching 100 crore mark in HVAC.
So you started 22 years ago, and with the 350 employees. So how has been this? How has been the till now? What has been the most major challenge, or what has been the difficulties you have faced till now?
Well, difficulties are normal as a normal business. It has not been that we face something unique about this thing. And as you said, getting over the challenges, that is what we have done.
So what is your company policy, and what is next step, and who is your competitor now? So
as a competitor, there are a lot of competitors. So the policy that we have is we want to, as the tagline says, raising the standard. That is what we do in almost every sphere of business that we are in. Whether it is delivering at site, the quality, the employees, the level of employees that we have. All in all, it's about raising the standard. That's the policy that we have.
And talking about the clients, Lehman Brothers and big clients. So how do you maintain that relation till now, and what would you say about the clients you have?
Lehman Brothers was a cornerstone in 2006. We got accustomed to one of a very unique client, and they are very high standards of installation. So they taught us a lot of good standards. Thereafter, we have imbibed those standards in our daily routine jobs, and that has opened the floodgates for a lot of other BFSI category clients. So post Lehman Brothers, we have done Morgan Stanley, we have done Citibank, we have done HSBC, we have done State Street Capital Bank, RBS Bank. So all these clients are A-class multinationals. So we have been working with them, which talks about that their requirement of quality is met with the vendors like us.
For any company, sir, it is important to
employee-centric company, because for a company of our size, we don't go by what a corporate. We have a corporate kind of a culture in our we call it ourselves as a mid-sized organization. So we have it all. Apart from a good workstation, abroad also every year we go to off-sites to Goa and other places, and we celebrate a lot of events. So we keep our employees very, very motivated so that they can deliver the best.
So when you are planning to register in stock exchange, national stock exchange?
Well, that's not in the immediate future, but maybe in a year or 1 year and a half, we are looking at it.
And what are the planning to expand the business internationally in the market?
Internationally also, like once now we have expanded to 7 states in India, and going further, we will like to expand to Sri Lanka, UAE, and parts of Africa.